Hello everyone, welcome to Joyroute. In this video, we check how to enable auto-enrollment in Intune and how the auto-enrollment really works. To be frank with you, I have watched multiple videos in YouTube and in paid platform like Udemy to learn how the auto-enrollment really works and how to enable auto-enrollment in Intune. But unfortunately, all the videos give me an idea how to enable the auto-enrollment in Intune. But it doesn't provide me a complete idea how the auto enrollment really works for Azure AD joint devices, Azure AD registered devices, and hybrid AD joint devices, which can be known as local Active Directory AD joint devices. So what I did, I created a lab environment and verified how the auto enrollment really works for Azure AD joint devices and Azure AD registered devices and hybrid AD joint devices. So I am sharing the same data with you. So in this video, we cover the first two, and the third one we will cover it in the next video because we have to create a group policy and we have to sync it to Azure AD Connect and all. So it will takes time. So we will cover this in the next video. Before we move to the practical session, I just want you know the difference between Azure AD joint devices and Azure AD registered devices. Azure AD join devices, like in on-premise, we locally join the devices to the domain, the local Active Directory. The same way, we joined the devices to the Azure Active Directory. Azure Active Directory join devices is nothing but it's a corporate devices, the devices given by your organization to you for the work purpose. So you log into that device, that machine is joined to the domain and you use that device. Azure AD registered devices is nothing but those are the personal devices. You log into that machine with your local ID and you log into your Office application through your cloud account. So what you do, you just register your devices to the Azure AD. You are not completely allowing to manage your devices to the corporate account to the cloud. You are partially allowing it. So that is Azure AD registered device. And hybrid AD joint devices is nothing but the local Active Directory devices, local Active Directory joint devices, and it gets synced to the cloud ID through Azure AD Connect. Now let us practically check it out how to enable the auto enrollment in Intune. First thing we require is license. We require the license, the proper license. So this is the Microsoft Intune admin center. You can type https://intune.microsoft.com. So that will land on this particular portal, which is Microsoft Intune admin center. So when you open the page, you can see in the left hand side, you can see devices, apps, and endpoint security. So mainly these are the three areas where you can manage through Intune. You can manage all the devices through Intune. You can manage your application through Intune and endpoint security. Endpoint security is nothing but your antivirus, firewall, and the security features you can enable through Intune. So now we are going to enable the auto enrollment in Intune portal. Before doing that, users should have the proper license. Check the license. You can go to the users, select any of the user. So here you can see the assigned licenses. This particular user doesn't have any license. So we'll check the other one. Here if you check, you can see assigned license. There is one license is assigned to him, which is Microsoft 365 Business Premium. It has some 49 services are enabled. So if you just enlarge it, you can see Microsoft Intune, which is on over here. This service is enabled. Microsoft Intune Plan 1 also is there for this particular user. This way you can check whether the user is having the proper license. So we can have Microsoft 365 Business Premium or Mobility plus E5 security license. With all these licenses, you can have Intune. So now we'll enable the auto enrollment in Intune. To do that, go to the devices, select Windows and Windows enrollment. Even if we say Windows enrollment, automatic enrollment comes under Windows session. So when you are enabling the auto enrollment, you are enabling the auto enrollment for the entire platform, for all platforms. Select auto enrollment. So normally when you open this, MDM user scope will be none and Microsoft Windows protection user scope will be none. You can either select some or all. Some means you can select a particular group of users, auto enroll to Intune. You can select a group as you can see here, and you can allocate one particular group to auto enrollment. This will be helpful if you are for the test purpose. Before allocating to the all users, you can allocate and test for a particular group and check how it works. If everything is fine, you can proceed with the all users. As it is a lab environment, I am allocating to all users and click on save. I have already enabled it, so save is not highlighted here. And Windows Information Protection user scope should be none. If you do this, the auto enrollment part from the Intune portal, it is enabled. Now we will check it from the client machines. Presently, there are 5 devices are enrolled. Now we will other 2 more devices will get it enrolled. One will be Azure AD join. Other one will be Azure AD registered devices. Now I have 2 client missions here. So one mission is the host. If you check the host name, it is Azure AD join. I have named it as Azure AD join. It is not joined yet, but I have the host name of this mission is Azure AD join, and the other mission host name it is Azure AD register. Even it is not registered yet, and presently if you go to the Intune portal, you could see only 5 devices are enrolled as of now. We will see how to join a device to Azure AD. When we join, how it get enrolled to Intune. To join a device to Azure AD, or nowadays it's called Entra ID, what you have to do, go to settings, go on account, and select access work or school, and here you can click on connect and provide your cloud global admin or cloud ID. Here we have the option join this device to Microsoft Entra ID. So click on that. It is asking me for the cloud ID. Click on next, enter the password, click on sign in. As I have enabled the multi-factor authentication, it is asking me for the MFA. So it is giving me an pop-up saying that make sure this is your organization. If you continue, system policies might be turned on or other changes might be made to your PC. Is this the right organization? Connecting to the domain, username and password is username is provided here. User type is administrator, and you can click on join. So what happens? Your machine is joining to the Azure Active Directory Entra ID. So this is normally done by your IT administrator before providing this corporate device to you. So let us check whether this device get enrolled or not. So it will take some time. So to make it fast, to make it immediate, we can go to info and there is an option to sync it. So click on sync. Now let us check it in the Intune portal. Before checking in the Intune portal, we will check it in the Azure Active Directory. Intune it shows 5. We will go to Windows and we'll just refresh it. Still we have only 5 devices here. I just click on devices, all devices, Azure AD join. You can see it here. It has come in the Azure Entra ID. So it should automatically detect here. So let us wait for some time. So we can do one thing, we can come here and sync it again. The sync was successful. We'll sync once more. Okay, it's taking some time to get it synced. So meanwhile, we'll check once again in the portal, in the Intune portal, whether it gets synced or not. No, still it has not yet come. Still we have only 5 devices. Let's wait. Yeah, it has come. Azure AD joined. The machine got enrolled automatically in Intune portal. Yes, as you can see, the machine got enrolled to Intune Admin Center, Intune portal, and you can view that device here. Azure AD joined. It got linked at this time. So this is the way how an Azure AD joined device get enrolled to Intune. Now we will check the second scenario, which is nothing but Azure AD registered devices. So you can see a device here, and I have named it as Azure AD register. I have just logged into my with my username and password. So presently this machine is not registered with Azure AD. So how it get registered and how it get enrolled to Microsoft Intune? When you open any of the client, any of the Microsoft 365 client application like Outlook or MS Office or OneDrive. So like this OneDrive, you sign in. I'm providing the cloud ID here. What happens? It is get registered to Azure AD Active Directory, Azure Active Directory, and from there it is automatically getting enrolled to Microsoft Intune. We will do that right now. I'm just giving the password here. So MFA is enabled. It's asking for the MFA, and I have enabled it. Click on OK. So here you check it out. Now what happens? Presently, this machine is getting registered to Azure Active Directory. So once the device get registered to Azure Active Directory, see, hold on while we register this device with your company and apply policy. This may take a moment. So while doing, see what exactly happening in the background, this device is getting registered to Azure Active Directory, and from there, within some 5 to 10 minutes, it again get enrolled with Microsoft Intune. It get automatically get registered to Azure Active Directory, and from there, within some 5 to 10 minutes, it get enrolled to Microsoft Intune. This is what exactly happening. So now let's see whether it get enrolled or not. So let this process get complete. I'm just enabling the backup for the OneDrive. Wait, it's okay. Okay, this is enough. So this can be done through OneDrive or Outlook or any of your Office 365 application. When you log into that, it automatically get registered to Azure Active Directory. So now we'll check whether in the Azure Active Directory whether this device is listed or there or not. Presently 8 devices are there. If you refresh it, it should be 9. Yes, you can see Azure AD register. Now let us see in the Microsoft Intune portal whether it got displayed there or not. It was 6 devices. Now it should be 7. It's still 6. Let's wait. Let's refresh it. It may be taking some time. It will get sync. Yes. No, 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 not yet. Yeah. You can see my Azure AD register, which shows as personal device, and you can see my Azure AD register in Intune portal. If you go to the devices, now you could see 7 devices. So it's clear. Now I have explained how auto enrollment works for Azure AD joint devices and Azure AD registered devices, which is your personal devices. So we'll meet you in another video, and I can explain you how hybrid AD joint devices works. So that we will check it in the other video. Till then, goodbye.